In today's fast-paced digital world, making $100 a day online is not just a dream, it's a very achievable goal, especially with the help of AI automation. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to create a passive income stream, this step-by-step breakdown will walk you through how to use AI tools to build a sustainable online income. Even if you have no experience or technical skills, the key is to combine smart strategy with powerful AI tools that save time, boost productivity, and generate results. Let's dive into the process and discover how you can start earning $100 a day with AI. First, you need to choose a digital service or product that can be automated. Popular examples include content creation, faceless YouTube channels, affiliate marketing, copywriting, social media management, and even online tutoring. Thanks to AI, many of these services can now be handled with minimal manual work. For example, let's say you want to start a content creation side hustle. You can use ChatGPT to generate blog posts, video scripts, product descriptions, or even email sequences. This content can then be sold to clients on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or your own website. Now, if your goal is passive income, one of the best options is to launch a faceless YouTube channel. This is where AI really shines. You can use ChatGPT to write the video script, Eleven Labs or Murph AI to generate human-like voiceovers, and platforms like Pictory, InVideo, or Canva Video to create the visuals using stock footage. You don't have to show your face, record your voice, or even know how to edit. Once your videos are uploaded and optimized with titles, descriptions, and tags, let's talk about another powerful method: affiliate marketing with AI. Start by picking a profitable niche, like tech, health, or finance. Then use AI to create content that solves problems in that niche. Think blog posts, newsletters, or short-form video content. You can use ChatGPT to write articles in CopyEye or Jasper AI to craft sales-driven emails. Once your content is ready, publish it on your website, Medium, LinkedIn, or social media. Include your affiliate links to tools, courses, or products you recommend. As people click your links and buy, you earn commissions passively. Many affiliate programs offer recurring payouts, so the more you build, the more you earn even while you sleep. Another way to automate income is by offering AI-based freelancing services. For example, you can offer an AI voiceover gig using Eleven Labs, where you deliver high-quality voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, or audiobooks. Or offer video editing services using AI editors like Pictory or Wisecut. You can even create Instagram quotes and carousel posts using tools like Canva with AI templates. These services take minutes to deliver, and you can serve multiple clients a day, easily hitting the $100 day mark. You can also create and sell digital products powered by AI. Think ebooks, templates, Notion dashboards, or a generated art. Use ChatGPT to write an ebook in your niche. Design the layout using Canva and list it on Gumroad or Etsy. These products can sell over and over without additional effort. Once set up, they become an automated stream of income. Some sellers earn thousands a month this way, all from a single weekend of setup. And let's not forget email marketing automation. Build a simple funnel using ConvertKit or System.io. Use ChatGPT to write the email sequences and offer a free lead magnet like a PDF or checklist to collect emails. Then promote an affiliate product or digital course through the emails. It's all automated from the opt-in to the sale. Once the system is in place, your funnel can run in the background, consistently generating daily income. To make this work, consistency and focus are key. Pick one method to start with, build it up, and automate as you go. Track your progress, analyze what's working, and refine your strategy. Use AI as your productivity partner. It's not here to replace you, but to amplify your efforts. Whether it's writing, video graphics, or sales, AI makes every part of the process faster and more efficient. So, to recap, choose your income method. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Eleven Labs, Pictory, Canva, and Copy AI to automate the work and set up systems that generate revenue daily. With some upfront effort and the right tools, hitting $100 a day is 100% possible. This is the power of AI automation in 2025, saving time, scaling fast, and creating freedom. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Subscribe for more step-by-step breakdowns, and let's grow your digital income together.